Today's lesson is for Workplace and Apprenticeship 30.3, and we're looking at the cosine law. The cosine law allows you to solve for a third side of a triangle if you know two sides and the angle between them. Or you can use it to figure out any angle if you know the lengths of three sides of the triangle. So there's the same formula but just rearranged a little bit differently. If you're looking for a side, you would use the first formula. So you're looking for a side A. If you're looking for an angle, then you would use the formula that starts with cos A. So if you notice, this kind of looks like Pythagoras' theorem, mixed up a little bit because a squared plus b squared usually equals c squared, but that's something that it's similar in that it uses something like Pythagoras' theorem, where you square some sides and then you take the cos of an angle. So you need to know one of the angles to be able to figure out the side length. Okay, let's try example 1, x, y, z, and calculate for side x to the nearest tenth. So I need to use the formula because I'm looking for a side. A squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos c. This is cos A. All right, it might be easier if we change the letters on this to match our formula. So we're using cos A. So this is angle A, big A, and I'm looking for side A. And then B and C doesn't matter which one they are. So I'm looking for this side A squared, so I'm going to put A on the side that I don't know. All right, so that means it's x squared equals b squared 9.6 squared plus 17.35 squared minus 2 times 9.6 times 17.5 cos of 38 degrees. Okay, so we plug in the numbers for b, c along the way and then take the cos of A. So basically you're going to square this and add it to 17.5 squared, and let's stop and see what that equals. So x squared equals 306.25 plus 92.16 minus, these three numbers multiplied together are 336 cos of 38 degrees. We can combine these two, but we can't subtract the minus 336 because it is being multiplied to the cos. So we can just add the first two numbers, 398.41 minus 336 cos 38. So then we can do the multiplication. You would do 336 times cos of 38, and then subtract it from the 398 value, ends up being 133.63. To get rid of the squared, you take the square root, just like at the end of Pythagoras' theorem, and x equals 11.6 meters. Okay, most calculators can handle just plugging the numbers in from here, and if you put in the order of operations in the brackets, you should get the same answer. But you also should be able to break it down and do it step by step. Okay, a lighthouse keeper at Trial Island observed a cruise ship at a distance of 8.3 kilometers. At the same time, a freighter is observed at a distance of 12.5 kilometers. So we have a lighthouse, and that's where we're looking from here. And I can see a cruise ship in the distance, 8.3. I can also see a freighter in the distance, a distance of 12.5. What is the angle between the line? What is the angle between the lines of observation? If the angle is 68 degrees, how far apart are these two ships? Okay, so we're going to write down our formula and relabel the triangle. So this triangle actually works out pretty good because this is A and we have angle A. So A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A. a squared equals b, 8 point plus c minus 2 times cos of 68 degrees. All right. So if we square these two numbers and add them together, we get 225.14. We multiply these numbers together, you get 207.5 cos of 68 degrees. And a squared is going to equal 147.409 square root, and a is 12.1 kilometers. So the freighter to the cruise ship is 12.1 kilometers apart. Right, practice with Build Your Skills, page 276 to 278.